Hello my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and day 5, which is the finale of my breakfast recipe week. Thank y'all for joining me all this week. Hope y'all enjoy my Southern breakfast recipes. I'll post a playlist to all my breakfast recipes down in the description box below. We're going to end this breakfast recipe week on a sweet note. July is National Blueberry Month, and I got a fantastic recipe to share with y'all using blueberries. We're going to make homemade blueberry pancakes. Love them since my childhood. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and loaded with fresh blueberry flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. You'll be in blueberry heaven once you taste these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, the perfect scrambled eggs. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So grab your flour, your blueberries, and get your griddle heating up, sugar, because we're about to cook some blueberry pancakes magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Before we begin, I want to share with y'all the syrup I'll be using. It's from Patti Labelle. It's butter flavor. I've tried her pancakes and they are amazing. I'll post the link to the review I did on it down in the description box below. I am very excited to try her butter syrup. Alright, without further ado, let's get cooking. We're going to get started with the dry ingredients first, my friends. So we need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up like so. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off and sweep it. And voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into my large bowl. Now we need 1/2 cup. Just repeat the process. And the perfect 1/2 cup. So that's our 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings. 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon each of baking soda, kosher salt, and ground cinnamon. The cinnamon will give it a nice warm flavor. And the zest of a large lemon. Lemon is fantastic with blueberries. One of my favorite combinations. Going to whisk these together until they well combined. Okie dokie, dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we're working our wet ingredients. In my medium bowl, we're going to add in 1 extra large egg at room temperature. Going to lightly beaten it. Into our egg, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. Next, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon, which is a cupful of pure vanilla extract, and 2 cups of full-fat buttermilk at room temperature. That's this whole pint. Going to whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, our wet ingredients are done. Now we're going to pour them into our dry ingredients. Going to make a well in the center. And pour. And just mix everything together until they well blended. Be careful not to overmix. Alright, my friends, our batter is done. Now it's time to add in the star of the show, the blueberries. I have 1.5 cups of fresh blueberries that I rinsed. If you don't like a lot of blueberries, you can add in less. Go to about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. And fold. Be careful not to bust the blueberries. I can smell the cinnamon and the lemon zest. Smells wonderful. Alright, as soon as I get through folding my blueberries, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through folding in the blueberries. Now we are ready to cook them. Going to heat up my griddle. Got my griddle nice and preheated. You can also cook them in the skillet. Before we cook them, I'm going to spray it with cooking spray, or you can grease it with butter. Going to pour the batter onto the hot griddle. You can make them any size that you prefer. I like them medium size. We're going to cook the pancakes until bubbles begin to form on the surface and the edges look set about 2 minutes. Alright, my friends, time to flip the pancakes. Here we go. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to add on some butter and let the pancakes finish cooking on the other side. And as soon as they get through cooking, I'll plate them up and we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I am through cooking my pancakes. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I have 3 on my plate. There's a few more things we got to add to it. Oh, and look at the blueberries inside. A pat of butter. A drizzling of Patti Labelle's butter syrup. And some blueberries. After all, these are blueberry pancakes. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Blueberry pancakes. Doesn't that look good? And we made them completely from scratch. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Light, fluffy. It just melts in your mouth. The blueberries are juicy. I could taste the lemon zest and the cinnamon. And Miss Patti, you did it again. I love your pancakes and I love your syrup. It's nice and buttery, bursting with flavor. Say her name. Patti, Patti. These blueberry pancakes are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Going to spread my butter. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberry pancakes licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.